Can I open this door? I just didn't want to crush anybody or anything like that.
When we last visited the construction in Old Main earlier this year, most of it was a work in progress. Walls were being put up, it was a hard hat and vest and safety goggle zone, and there were no ceilings.
Is the connection to the third floor?
But as we wrap up this year, construction is also finishing up. Now we are starting to get an idea about what our new main building will look like. While it is important to change with the times, there are some things that will never change at Northtown.
This is the old 1925-26 building right here. So that's why we left this exposed, is because that's the original building. So this would have been where the balcony was. So this is 3 classrooms now instead of where the balcony was at.
Moving in will start in January, with all classes officially starting in Maine on the 18th of February.